Hello guys, Resilience here. This video is to guide you on how to use the TradingView app to properly introduce you on how to navigate your way through using the TradingView app. So let's get started. So this is the TradingView app. This is what the logo looks like. So how do you get it? So just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download the app if you want to get it into your phone device. And if you're using a desktop, there's a desktop version for the TradingView app. So once you have it downloaded, just register, put your email address, your details, follow the steps, and launch the app. All right. So I'm opening mine. So this is what the TradingView app looks like. Okay. So we have, just like the TradingView app is that app that helps you navigate your way through the use of different securities under different sectors of the financial markets. So we have stock, we have fund, we have futures, we have forex, we have crypto, we have indices, we have bonds, we have economy, we have options as well. So depending on which of the financial markets you trade. Okay, so the next thing we want to look at now is, now there are lots of features you'd have on TradingView. Lots and lots of beautiful features. Is that app, that handy app that lots of traders use. Yeah. So the first thing we want to do is to show you how to create your watch list. All right. So this is the watch list interface. Okay. So you have here indices, stock, forex, crypto. So how do you add different pairs to your watch list? You know, the essence of having a watch list is to avoid the noise. Now the market is very crowded. Yeah, we have under this TradingView alone. TradingView accommodates lots of securities. When we talk about securities, I'm talking about different financial markets, products, assets. You get. So to avoid lots of noise, it's important for you to have your watch list. That's a list of pairs or assets that you are interested in monitoring. Yeah, imagine, think about it, how many cryptocurrencies we have alone. So there are lots. So but you have those pairs that you're really monitoring. Okay. So that's what we have here. So to add symbols to your watch list, just come here, add symbols. Okay. So search, you want to navigate it down to crypto alone, or you want to search under forex or under stock. Tap here. So okay, let's see crypto. So instead of just searching, scrolling, you can just use the search icon here and just type the particular pair you want to add to your symbol, to your watch list rather. So let's assume we want to add what should we add now? WLFI. Okay, I already have WLFI in my watch list. So these are the list of WLFI. So I have one already. You can see this is marked already on my watch list. So okay, let's assume we want to add ADA Cardano. Okay. So do you want to add Cardano from Binance Sports? Do you want to add Cardano from Coinbase? Do you want to add Cardano Perpetual? This is perpetual. You already know what perpetual is, right? If you don't know, it means futures, under futures trade, derivatives, crypto futures, crypto derivatives. You want to add it, and this is from Bybit. Do you want to add from OKX or Mexi? So you have several options to choose from. So if I'm trading more on Mexi, for example, I just go over here to add Mexi, and is it perpetual? Is it Mexi perpetual or Mexi sports? So I look for the option that suits me and I just mark it. So let's say So for the sake of this video, we'll just use Bybit, Ada USD perpetual Bybit. So once I mark it, it's already added. You can see it's marked. You can see the notification here. Let me do it again so that you can see the notification. Look at this notification here. Added to watch list. I come back to my, you can see has been successfully added to my watch list. Alright guys, so another thing we need to look at using TradingView, very important as well. Now it has lots and lots of beautiful features to explore. Then as you go into the advanced part of using the TradingView app, you get properly introduced, and in fact you once you find your way navigating the very basic features needed for your analysis, you'd find your way into even more features. Okay, so another important feature we need to look at is the chart. Okay, and either go directly this way or come or search for the cryptocurrency or the currency with forex stock you're looking for. You can just use the search icon here. Just search, you know, let's take for example BTC USDT. So you can see the option. Do you want to add alerts there? Do you want to open chat? Do you want to open symbol? So it's asking you, what do you want to do with BTC USDT? Do you understand? So this is one way you can open your chat. Okay. Or you come here. Remember your watch list. Do you remember your watch list? Where you have list of pairs that you are monitoring here under different parts of the market, yeah. So let's assume we want to check this guy, Ada ADA Cardano USDT. So the same thing you had done on what we just did now, the BTC USDT we just checked. So once you long tap, it brings out this option. Next thing you want to do is to open chat. So the chat is open now. So we'll just be making use of different tools to help you explore the use of this app. Okay, so the next thing, let's look at how to change time frame. So you want to change your time frame. So you have options there. You can see this place that has 2H. Just tap it. Okay, so this is what the options look like. So we have here 1 day. This is 5 day. Do you want to view the candlesticks? Now these are candlesticks, yeah. So this is the chart. The chart is being represented with candlesticks. Okay, so this is a 2 hour time frame already. So you want to change the time frame to 1 day, to 5 months, to 6 minutes, to 6 months. You want to change the time frame to 1 second. In minutes, you want to change it to 2 minutes. In hours, you want to change it to 1 hour, to 4 hours. In days, you want to change it to 1 day, 1 week. So you have different options, and you want to add custom. So just put the what exactly. Oh, maybe you didn't see the options the particular option you want to use. For example, I'm not sure I saw 6 hours there in the options. You can just change it to hours, put your 6 to get, so you add. So it's that simple. All right, another important feature I'd like us to look at is the use of some tools. You can see this pen here, this icon that looks like a pen. It's used for drawing your trend line. Okay, so you want to draw your rectangle, you want to draw lines, you want for your analysis. So you just come here. You can see lots of options. You have trend line, you have extended line, you have cross line, parallel line, channels, vertical lines. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be using trend line. So you can see this plus sign, the plus sign, vertical and horizontal line. This breaking vertical and horizontal line, it wasn't there before. So the moment we picked the trend line, it showed. So it's just to help you navigate where you want to draw your line. Okay, so and drag if you're using a phone. All right, so this is my trend line. So this was how we did it. Let's take it back a bit. So you come to this pen icon, pick trend line, then move. You can say move cursor to start. So this was the first one I drew. So just move the cursor. This is where we want to draw it. Okay, we just drew the first one here. Let's move the second one somewhere around here. Okay. Oh, let's take it here. Yeah, that's it. So that's how to draw it. And you can drag it to whichever extent you want it to get to. Mm, drag. So that's how to place your trend line. Oh, okay, so the next thing I want to show you is how to, when you tap this trend line, you can see these icons at the top here, these options. So this one is give to to give you the option to increase the thickness of the line. That's it. It's 4 pixel, 3 pixel, or reduce 1 pixel. I used 2 pixel. 2 pixel is okay to show you, to for you to view the lines as visible as possible. Now this pen here is for you to change the color of the trend line. Let me change it to red or purple or just blue. So these are the different options, different features we have on our trading view. And like I said earlier, there are several other features to explore. All right, so let's check the explore page. The explore page has to do with news, market updates. This explore page here, market updates, stock updates, crypto updates, features updates, forex updates. So it's a very handy app for traders. You know, so thank you so very much for watching and following through as you get yourself advanced as well with the use of this trading view app. All right, guys. Bye. I'm signing off now.